Welcome back, my friends. I've got another unboxing for you. And yes, I know I said my last one was my last 21K unboxing, but when you get the call, you know if you know. If you're interested in seeing what my truly last 21K piece from the Chanel collection is, keep watching. All right, so I got a text from my essay in Chicago that this piece had come in and I was the next one to be offered it. And I have to admit, this is the piece that I was originally wanting from Chanel when I did first see the 21K collection pictures leaked out on Instagram. So beautifully wrapped. And let's speed through this part. Here's my receipt, and I was super lucky that she was able to ring this up before the price increase on November 3rd. She had called me actually right before the weekend, the Halloween weekend, but because I had already purchased my allotment for October and the quotas had already kicked in as far as one bag per month, she was able to luckily hold this for me until November 1st and then ring it on November 1st. So I was still able to get it. Luckily for me, there aren't too many pieces in the cruise collection that I'm actually interested in. Boo. Okay. There goes my camellia, but that's okay. Has anybody done any art pieces with their camellias? I've heard of people using it to decorate like walls and things, but frankly, if you've seen any on Instagram or on YouTube where people have used them for art projects or just art pieces, please tag me or send me a link for it in the comments below. I'd love to see those because I think the camellias are really cool. All right, you ready? Ooh, black paper. So I'm kind of surprised. I didn't realize that they were considering these to be classics, but I guess they are now, hence the black paper. Well, okay, my wrong assumption. So I guess different places do it differently. Some places do the black paper for seasonal, some places do the black paper for classics. Regardless, here is a black dust bag, which tells you this is a seasonal piece, to reveal the latest addition to my 21K collection, which is the mini in, I believe this is calfskin. I don't think this is lambskin. In that 21K lilac, lavender. I think it's more lilac because it's blue. And I do have the natural sunlight, but it's still not coming off quite as what I'm seeing. It's much more beautiful in person. And this gorgeous, shiny silver hardware. I actually have not seen too many reissues with shiny silver. Most of the time, it is in like aged gold or ruthenium. So I'm super excited that I've got this new piece. And here is the info on the bag and more info for the 21K in the light purple with the white metal. And this is a really, I mean, the reissue chains or the 2.55 chains do tend to be pretty hefty. They are pretty substantial, but this one is super substantial. It is very weighty. I don't know how this is going to tarnish. It's funny. It looks like it's, I think the sunlight, the lighting in this room is making it look a little bit like gold, but it actually is silver. So let's do a tour. Here's the front, the bottom, that bowed bottom that you see with the 2.55s, the pocket, and this is chevron quilting. Here's the side and the other side. And if we open it up, it's got the felt, and you can see it's got the chip, has a slip pocket here, and then a single zip pocket. So this is my final 21K unboxing. Now, if you enjoy videos like this, unboxings, reviews of luxury handbags, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button to join my little YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. I hope you're having a wonderful day, have enjoyed my 21K journey. Yes, I called it a journey. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching as always, and have a wonderful week ahead. Stay safe. Bye.